Hello from Auto and Tuning RS. In this video you will see how we restored the panels on the inside of the doors of a car. In this condition we received the door panels with torn fabric, with a very dirty and damaged plastic parts, with totally broken plastic pins that hold the parts of the panels together. The panels are quite old, unmaintained and used to the end. First we disassemble the panels. We separate the part that we will cover with fabric from the plastic part of the panel. We do it very carefully because we do not want to break the few remaining not broken plastic pins. Those parts on which we will glue a new fabric must be cleaned of the remaining old glue. First we scrape it with a stiff brush. Then we clean with a cloth soaked in alcohol or in nitrocellulose cleaner. This is what they look like after the cleaning, but it is not enough. We will wash them with soap and water. We let them dry. They are perfectly clean. Now it's time for the plastic parts of the panels. They are very dirty and worn, so we will first wash them very well with soap and water. Smaller parts and buttons will clean with wet wipes. We will finally clean the plastic parts with this detergent 3-in-1. It cleans, restores and protects plastic surfaces. It enters the micropores of the surfaces very well. You will see for yourself that the result is impressive. You can compare what they look like before and after cleaning. We take the dimensions of the parts on which we will glue textiles to know how much fabric we will need. We will glue the fabric with this glue, which is heat resistant, withstands very high temperatures and makes a very strong connection. These panels turned out to have more curves and deep parts, so for a better result we will stick polar fleece on them. Polar fleece is a very light, soft and easy to wash fabric made from polyester. It stretches easily and will cover well in the concave parts. We apply the glue with a brush, trying to do it in one direction. First, we will glue the fabric in the concave part. The soft towel, we press the fabric by stretching it. We leave it for 2 or 3 hours to dry. In the same way with the other cards, we glue the concave part first. After 2 or 3 hours, we will glue the remaining fabric to the cards. This glue dries in 48 hours, only then we will start assembling the parts of the panels. During this time, we will try to repair the broken plastic pins. In their places, we will glue pieces of metal mesh. We heat gently to soften the top layer, but not to damage the front of the plastic. Here is the result. After 48 hours, the fabric is completely glued and we can cut it to shape and cut the holes in the panels. We can now assemble them. Do you remember what they looked like? This is what they look like after the repair. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!